Bluetooth mic or anything. Because see, if I take it here, but the thing is, I can go till this far, right? What? Okay. You just do the setup meanwhile. This is you, right? When a force is applied, force is applied. This is this guy. Moving where this side? Towards east or west? This is right. What is the west? This is neutral, I am here. So this direction you are moving? Towards east. It doesn't matter this direction. You are moving somewhere. Like I'm standing there, I'm moving. So I'm putting myself into position. With respect to you guys. Maybe right now, just try to understand. Right now I'm standing there. Okay? I'm standing at, let's say. So do you guys know about coordinate system? You are in ninth standard, right? So you must be knowing all this. Regular coordinates. Okay. What is X, Y? Cartesian. Okay, good. Anything else? X is the mass not in plane and Y is the coordinate. Excuse me. Are you getting my voice, Master? Yeah, okay. So yeah, tell me. This is the mass not in plane and Y is the horizontal plane and what do you mean by plane? Line. Line and plane are different things, right? See, like yes, very good. See, this is a plane, right? One page. This is like okay. Let's leave this. Do you see this wall or this blackboard? I mean green board, whatever. So this is a plane, right? Plane surface. Plane must be have plane will be having area and line will have only one dimension, that is length only. Okay, line do not have any area, isn't it? Okay, so that's the difference between line and plane. Okay, we were talking about coordinate system. Why we are talking about coordinate system, we'll see here. Okay, please excuse me. Okay, I'm having little cold, so I'll be doing all the time. Is that fine for you? Okay, so this you all guys must have seen, right? We always put this X and Y. What is this X and Y? What is this? Tell me. Axis. This is your vertical axis, horizontal axis, right? So you must be thinking that this is a physics class. Why we are talking about mathematics? Because mathematics is the essence of physics, right? You will understand physics properly. You can visualize physics with the help of mathematics. Okay, we are going to do that. That's why I'm talking about coordinate system. So motion is very fundamental and we can understand this very easily. Okay, but our concept must be very clear. Okay, it is very easy. Don't, what happened? All good? Okay. You're understanding, no? If you have any doubt, just stop me in the middle. All right? I've repeated it like 5 times. I'm on time. Okay, so what is this point? Origin, isn't it? That means the coordinate of x and y is 0. So this is what we call xy plane. So if this wall, if you see this wall, you can say, okay, this is my y-axis, this corner, and this one. This is our x-axis, right? So you can understand. So this is our xy plane. This whole wall is our xy plane. That's what we literally draw in our notebook. Okay. Now we were talking about motion. So you understood this thing, right? You are very smart. You know all these things, isn't it? Okay. So motion. What did you say about motion? One rest to. Okay. Can it be moving state to another moving state? Yeah, yeah. You want to say something, please? Yes. Okay. Very good. Anything else? Come on. You have studied this, right? This chapter is finished in your class. Okay. Good. Tell me. Tell me. Just guess. Guess. Say anything. Whatever you want. Just tell it. In its own path. Okay. Anything else? Yeah. You tell me. Ah, yes, yes. A little bit. Little. You missed a little bit. Ah, yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Guess it. You can guess everything. Just try. Sorry, I didn't get it. Pretty much the same as everyone. Okay, you're summing up everyone in one single word, is it? Okay. So the motion or the change of position of a body with respect to time and with respect to a reference frame. Okay, that means with respect to a position. Like I'll just give you example. You will understand it. Right now I'm standing here. Like I am. How much? What do you think? How much distance separation is between me and you? You 3 meters. Okay, and you little more than him, right? So if I move in this direction, now how much position did I change? Now how much is the separation between? Little lesser, right? But is it same with respect to you and him? No, right? Why? Because we are also measuring with respect to different coordinate system. When we are measuring with respect to him, I'm not writing it, don't worry. So
He's the coordinate system right now, or reference frame. See, right now you understand reference frame as the coordinate system. Okay. Later we will understand that it is little different. It's not just the coordinate system. We design coordinate system based on reference frame. All right. Have you heard of the term reference frame? Yes or no? Yeah, it's just reference. Reference, you know, right? The reference, the English word reference, you know, it's the same thing with respect to. I'm moving with respect to this desk. If I'm right now moving with respect to this notebook as well, right? Your book as well. If I take this book in my hand, okay, and I move, I'm not moving with respect to this hand, this book, right? I'm just moving with respect to you guys. All right? Are you getting it or not? So that's the magic of reference frame that we will study little later, not now. So the motion is change of, just note it down. So always ready with your, pencil, paper, notebook, or pen, whichever suits you, whichever you like the best, whomever you love you. Okay, just be ready with it. What is this? Some magic, black magic. Okay. Okay. Good. Fast, fast, fast. Yes. Yes, of course. Everyone is ready. So motion is what is motion? Can someone repeat once? Yeah, you can. Motion. Yeah, just repeat what I just said. Not repeat after me. I just gave the definition. Okay. Anyone? Will you try? No? Okay. So most, yeah. Yes. Yes. So just write the definition. A motion can be defined as change of position of an object or a particle, object slash particle. Okay. You ask me, don't look there. You ask me. What? Motion can be defined as the change of the position of an object or a particle with respect to time and reference frame. Or you can, instead of with reference frame, you can also write coordinate system. Okay. With respect to time and reference frame. Okay. Slash coordinate system. Just write. Everyone wrote this. Yeah, just do it fast. So that's how we define motion. So you guys have studied this thing. Now it is clear. Is it clear? Motion is clear. Now can you tell me the definition of motion? Yes. Okay. Because when we are moving from one point to another point, see, we are taking some time, right? And we are changing our position as well. So it's as simple as that to define motion. It's fine. Everyone understood? Okay. So when there is a change in position, yes. Okay. Now let's. You know about the distance and displacement. What's the difference between distance and displacement? Yes, anyone. How many of you know the difference between distance and what is distance? Yes. What is distance? Yeah, please. Yes, yes, correct. Go on. Yes. Good. Distance is the space between the reference point and the reference point. Is the space between, space is little, it's a very broad word. Yeah, it's correct only, but it's a very broad word. we'll have a lot of things in that space. Part between 2 points, like this point and this point. Let's say this point is O and this is, can we say A, right? So you are saying the distance is from O to A, the measure of length, right? What did you say? Distance traveled by, yes, is correct. Okay, the measure of space traveled by an object. Yes. See, why she is completely correct. Let's understand this. See, suppose there is a point, this point O, and we'll try to understand each and everything with respect to a coordinate system. Okay, that's how it will be very easier for you to solve the problems. All right, you're getting it? Okay. So OA. Okay, so distance. Suppose from O to A, you can go like this, or you can go like this. Okay, or you can just directly go like this, or this guy can go like this also, right? So all see this path, you see the measure of path, you have to literally measure all the length traveled by this path. Okay, from here to here, this path you have to trace. Okay, that is called your distance. Or if you are going on a semicircle, so you have to trace this path, that is your distance, right? I'll give you another example. So suppose this is your home. From here you start your journey to your school, your very good school, okay, which you enjoy a lot from morning to evening, right? Take lunch, breakfast, everything here. Okay. From your home to your school, okay. Somebody, not everyone comes with same road. You can take road. No, road can be like this, or this, or this, and this, isn't it? So this path that is traveled by you is the distance. Okay, you are getting it. So this is the trace of path. This path traced by you is the distance. Now, if you directly go from one point to another point, that is called displacement. Okay, from one, like, see, this is your distance, and directly if suppose you are a Superman or someone, or Batman, and you have a Batmobile, huh? You want that, right? Who are you, Superman or Batman? Superman. Okay, he'll just directly fly from this position to this position. So that will be what? Displacement. Getting it? Clear? Yeah. Any doubt? Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, you can. You want to add something? Yeah, just add something. Add 1 spoon of sugar. Come on. They already said everything. Okay. So the shortest distance between 2 points is called louder displacement, right? The shorter distance, that is the straight line. The straight line between 2 points is the displacement between 2 points, right? So this is your displacement. Okay. For distance, you can write the definition. I know you have studied all these things. We'll do the numericals shortly. Okay. Distance. What you will write? The path traveled by an object. It's as simple as that. We'll try to keep each and every point very simple. Okay, or all the definitions very simple, not literally like books. Right? Sometimes we are not able to understand what it is written, right? And it happens with me also. Okay, so and for displacement, you write the shortest distance between 2 points. Right? Just write it fast. The shortest distance between 2 points is called displacement. Also, one more definition you write below the displacement. You can give this example. You can draw it like this if you want. Okay, just draw it so that okay, I'll give you another very creative drawing. So suppose we have 2 points. Okay, point A and point B. So this, suppose this is path let's say L, small l. This is our path M, and the straight line is our path N. Okay, so L and M are the distance between A and B. It depends which path we take. Okay, and A to B directly, that means N. N is the name of this line. Okay, don't worry about anything. This is the name of path only. L, M, and N are the name of path. N is the displacement. Got it? All clear? Any doubt? Any doubt at all? Nothing. Everything is clear. Shall we do one problem based on this? Okay. So you guys are very smart. Let's do one problem. So you know about coordinate system, right? You know how to plot a graph or a straight line. You know how to do it? Okay. Shall I draw one? Okay. So 0, what will come here? I can write 2. Is that fine? 2, 4, 6. But the separation you have to maintain. It's like if you are taking 2 units, so again you will be taking 2. So 1 will be somewhere here, right? It doesn't matter. In the middle somewhere it will be 1. Okay. Again 2, 4. Do you guys have any problem with this? Shall I write 1, 2, 1, 3 as well? Okay. You are having problem, no? Yeah, you just said. Okay. 1, 3, 5. Here also 1, 3, 5. This is both. This is positive x, and this is positive y. This side it will be negative x, and this side it will be negative y. Okay. So if I see the magic of reference frame. I'll just give you a little introduction of reference frame. Suppose or coordinate system, whatever you can say. This is my eye, isn't it? Now suppose I'm looking everything from my now this horizontal plane. I'm standing like this, so I can draw my coordinate system like this, right? This is y, this is x for me, for my eye, from where I'm seeing object. Now, which side I will measure my height? This side, right? The downward side, because I'm looking from here. So my height will be in the negative direction. That's how I will be measuring. If I fix my coordinate here on my foot, so I'll be measuring it in the positive y direction. Okay, so that's how reference frame works. We'll also study this about this later. Just in the middle, I'm trying to give you some introductions. If it is okay with you guys. Okay, so this is y, that is x. Now, I'll just plot a graph, and you'll find the distance as well as the displacement. Is that fine? Okay. So okay, so you started from this point O, you reached point A, then you reached point B, then C, then you came back to D, and you stopped at point S. Okay, you stopped here. First from O, you went to A, O to A, O A to B, then B to C, C to D, and now all the energy, whatever you ate, everything, all you consumed. Okay, so you stop at point S. Okay, now just draw this. Wait. I'll write the question. Now you can solve. Find the distance between point O and point C. Okay, can you do that? Let's do it. Distance, I'll write here. Find, this is first question, okay? Distance between, I'll write between like this if you don't have any problem. You will understand. What happened? You're sleeping, is it? No? You're trying to focus something? Okay. So find the distance between point, this O, and which point I said? C, D, S, all the dreams. You just, okay. From O, this is O, right? This is O. Just find fast O to see the distance. Can you do that? How you will do that?
Diagonal of the rectangle.
Okay. Four units up. Is it? See, what we learned in distance, that this path traveled is your distance. Okay. O to C we have to calculate, right? So from here, here, and here. So how do you calculate? This BC is very clear, right? This is 1 unit. Okay. You just need to find this and this. Find it. Find separately OA. First find OA, OB. So you need to find OC, right? O to C you need to find, that is OA plus AB plus BC. Okay, you find this. Find all separately. Then you can do it. Come on, make this graph and do it. You don't have to exactly make like this. You can draw like this. And when one more thing I want to say, when we are drawing graph or anything in our notebook, any diagram, just try to make it little bigger, okay? So that it will be much clearer to you when you are revising. Okay, good. Do it fast, fast. I think all of you know Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Let us. Yeah. Okay, so for that we have to have a right angled triangle. Only then it will be true. Okay. So for a right angled triangle, see this suppose this is our perpendicular, that's what we said. This is our base and this is our hypotenuse. All right. You guys are understanding? You? So here, if we want to find BC, so BC squared will be equal to AB squared plus AC squared. Okay. So if you just want to find BC, what you will do, you will just put a square root over it. Okay. This is clear? Or if suppose you want to find AC, so what you will do? The BC squared minus AB squared. Clear? Is this clear to you? What's your name again? Aniket. Aniket, is this clear to you or not? You know about Pythagoras theorem? Now find it here. Now, how many right angle triangle you can see? See, one is this and one is this. Right? Can you see two right angle triangle here? Okay, now find it fast. Come on, do it. Do it fast. Faster. We have till 4:30, right? 4:30. Okay, come on, do it fast. I'll give you 1 minute. And after that, I'll start solving, which I don't want to. Come on, do it fast. So we have two right angle triangle. One is this. So from here we can find OA because we know this is 2 units. This is how much? 2 units. So how much will be this? 4, 5, 8. All the magic words you are saying. Is it? Even numbers. See, square this. 2 square plus 2 square and square root. How much is that? 4 plus 4, 8. Square root of 8 is how much? 2 root 2. See, whenever two sides are equal, right? See, if just listen to me. If you have a right angle triangle, okay, and suppose this length is A, this is right angle, and this length is also A. So this will always be root 2 times of A. Okay. Don't remember it. You can find it from here. You can use the Pythagoras theorem and you can find it. It's very easy. Okay, A squared plus A squared square root. What will be square root of 2? Sorry, square root of 2 into 8. All right. So how much you got this? This OA we are getting 2 root 2. Are we all getting this or not? Show me everything. Where you are there? Huh? Just put everywhere, no? And write it. What is this? O A. Write like that. Shall I do it here, or you guys can do it? You can do it. I'll do one. I'll do this part. You guys can do another part. Okay? I'll do the easier one. So we have this triangle. Let's give it a name E. Okay? So O A E. So O E square plus A E square will be equal to your O A square, right? So O A will be equal to square root of 2 square plus 2 square. Because from here to here, how much it is? 2, fine. And from here to here, how much it is? 2. Aniket, you're doing something else. You're not listening. Okay, just pay attention. You will understand this thing. So this will be how much? 2 root. Yeah. Sorry. Recording. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you. No, I don't want it. You can give. Bhaskar, you want? It's fine. Not in the middle. This is not right. Only 45 minutes we are getting there. Yeah. So OA will be equal. This you got, isn't it? This is fine. Now how much will be this? So now this is how much? Anyone? From here to here, how much it is? 5 minus 2. This will be 3. We all know number line. Aniket. How much is this, Aniket? From here to here, how much it is? 2. Why? Yes, you are right. Come on. Say. 2 units up, right? Why? How do we calculate? This point is 4, right? In y direction, it is 4. We are measuring the vertical direction, right? In the vertical direction, we are measuring the length. So this is what coordinate? 4. Sorry, 5, right? X is 5, and y is how much? 4. And this is what? 5. Y is how much? Y is 2. So we need to calculate y only, right? So 4 minus 2 will be what? 2. Have you guys done this or not? You have learned these things, right? You know how to plot coordinates, don't you? If you don't, just let me know, because I am having that idea. I'm teaching with respect to that. Okay, if you don't know, just let me know so that we can start from there. You're getting or not? Aniket, you're getting? So this is 2, and this is how much? Because this is how much? What is the coordinate of A? Anyone can anyone tell me? 2, 2, right? Because X is also 2, Y is also 2. Why you are laughing? Okay. So 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. So this will be 3 units, and this will be 2 units. How much will be this? Same method from Pythagoras theorem. 2 squared plus 3 squared. 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. Square root of 13. So this will be square root of 13. Okay. And how much is this? 1. Aniket, is this clear? So OA we got 2 root 2. AB how much we got? Aniket? Root 13. Okay, very good. Plus square root of 13. BC is how much? Oh, okay, sorry. Thank you. And BC is 1. So this much is your OC. This is the distance. Now you are saying, okay, we should simplify this. But right now, the important thing is to understand this. Okay, so if you understood, that means these are just numbers. So you can put in calculator and you will get the result. Although you are not supposed to put in calculator, right? And you won't be getting root 13 and root 2 like those. So don't worry. Right now, here we got root 2 and root 13. That's why we are not just adding it up. Okay, so this distance, this total is the distance. And what will be the displacement? You can just put a line directly. O to C, you will just put a line, right? This is your displacement. So again, you can use the Pythagoras theorem and find the displacement. Now tell me the displacement. Yeah. Yes, we have doubt. Yeah, just do it on your notebook. Show me. Do it in the notebook. You're getting? What's your name? Abhinaya. Sorry? Kabhinaya. I'm really sorry. I'm really bad at this. So please repeat. Okay. Just okay. Kabhinaya. That's what I was saying, right? No? Okay, Kabhinaya. Tell me how much is the displacement? OC is how much? Do it in your notebook and show me. Use Pythagoras theorem. You know the coordinate of C. What is the coordinate of C, Aniket? 6 and 4, right? Correct, everyone? 6. So X is 6 and Y is 4. This coordinate is how much? D? 6, 0, right? And O, 0, 0, right? Now you have three coordinates. You have 3x, 3y. You can have this length. You have this length. You can find this length. How much is that? Anyone? Root 52. You got it? Root 52. Show me. Okay. Correct. Very good. You also got it? No? Good. Got it. Okay. See, now the last thing that I want to tell you is not just root 52. Why? Because we are measuring length, right? So length has a unit. Length must have a unit. So the SI system of unit, length unit is meter, not per second. That is velocity and speed. We'll come to that later. Okay. So the unit of distance is distance as well as displacement. Because we are measuring length, so the unit of length is SI unit is we will be using meter. Right now, I haven't given any unit here, right? I have not given any unit. So you can just write this much. Root 52 you got, right? Displacement. Displacement you got root 52. So if I'm not giving any unit like centimeter or meter, you'll just write unit. Okay. If I'm giving you in the coordinate system meter, okay, or anywhere if it is mentioned meter or centimeter, then you will write centimeter or meter accordingly. All right, you got it, everyone. You can solve this now. These type of problems we can do it. How much is the displacement, Aniket? What, elephant? Root 52 what? Unit, right? Good. You must have a unit. Okay, we'll have some separate discussion about unit, what is unit and all. Right now, we are not here to do that. Okay, we'll solve one more problem. We are running out of time, so we'll do one more problem, all right? So everyone understood this, distance and displacement. Write your homework in this. Everyone has done this XY graph, everyone has? Okay, write your homework question. Find the distance and displacement between point O and S. Right fast. Find the displacement, distance and displacement between point O and S. Aniket, finish. Okay, just write it. O and S. This is S. S is here. Okay. So the Aniket is traveling from O, A, B, C, D, then S. Right, Aniket? You travel that much now. That is your stop. That is home. This is your school. This is your cinema hall, park. Everywhere you will go. Then you will go to home. Right? Okay. So between point O and S, you have to find distance as well as displacement. Okay. One more question. Suppose if you start from this point O, okay, write another question. These both are in homework, okay? You'll do it in homework next class. First, I want to see this. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow, I want to see this. Tomorrow, you have physics class again. All right. So, O or find the distance as well as displacement between point O. No, right like this. Wait. You are very fast. Right, Aniket start his journey from point O. Write it. Write in your note. Write everyone. Write your name. Aniket will write his name. You write your name. Okay. You are very fast one. Just write whatever you want. Whoever names you want. You can write Sumit also. You guys don't know who Sumit is, right? That's me. You. Okay. Fine. So I'll say my name. Sumit start his journey from O, reached A, then point B, B, C, D, S, then again I reached point O. Okay. So how much distance I traveled? That means how much is the distance traveled by Sumit and what is the displacement traveled by Sumit. Okay. Write it. Write it fast. We have 5 minutes. This part, the path I told you, no, O to A to B, B to C, C to D, S, O. I started my journey from here. I ended my journey here. Okay. So how much is the distance and the displacement? Okay. Can you find that? Okay. Can anyone tell me how much will be the displacement? Why? Because the final. So what conclusion we can draw? That if the initial and yes, tell me. Right? So that means you started your journey from home and again you reach your home. How much you traveled? What is the displacement? 0. Okay. That means this is very easy for you. Okay, so you guys can solve this now. Aniket, can you solve? Yeah, you will do in homework. I will see your notebook first. Distance and displacement both. Okay. Now we'll do one more problem. Okay. Last problem. This one is. Again, this is on distance displacement, but if this is clear, then we'll go very fast with velocity and all. All the velocity, everything, we can solve it fast. Okay. What is this? Orange. Circle. Playground. Cricket ground. Football ground. Okay. So this is a circle. Why I'm drawing XY, it's not necessary, but just for your understanding that we are taking this point as origin. Okay, that is the center of circle. I'm taking as origin. Okay. Now I'm giving you the radius of the circle is how much? 5? Okay, 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters is the radius of the circle. Now you started your journey from this point A. Let's say this is O, and you reach point B. How much is the distance and displacement traveled? Do it fast. Tell me the distance and displacement. Fast.
From that to where?
From point A. From point A, you reach point B. Okay. From A to B, how much is the distance? A to B. Yeah, in this direction. I've given the direction counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. That also you can see. Anyone can anyone tell me how you will find it? 2 pi r. What is 2 pi r? Circumference, right? So 2 pi r is if you start your journey from here and this you end up here. That is the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. This is quarter of 2 pi r, right? Yeah, 1/4. That is quarter of 2 pi r. So this will be quarter of 2 pi r. How much will that be?
2 pi r by 4.
2 pi r by 4. Yeah, do it. And r is given. Radius is how much? 5 centimeters. So tell me how much is the distance traveled from point A to B. Now you will tell me the answer, okay? You will tell me the distance traveled and you will tell me the displacement. Fine? No. A to B. From here. Okay? That was just for your reference. From this point to this point. I'm saying this is an arc which is a part of circle. Okay? Quarter of a circle. So how much is the distance and how much is the displacement? You will tell me the distance and you will tell me the displacement. How much is the displacement? You done it? Yeah. See, this displacement is what? What is the definition we gave for displacement? Shortest. Which is the shortest distance? From if you and one more definition I gave. right? Just done the displacement. What is displacement we have written? Second one.
You know you will be telling, but you
Oh, I didn't. Okay. The straight line joining 2 points. Okay, just write it. So you should remind me, no? I thought I already said. The straight line joining 2 points is the displacement. Okay, between those 2 points. So straight line, which is the straight line? Okay, this will be the straight line, right? So this is your displacement from A to B, and this is your distance. So displacement, how you will find? Displacement, I will just write in bracket AB. Okay, displacement will be directly from A to B. So that's why I gave you this. So this is, yeah, this is again what? Your radius? Listening? Hello? What's the name I forgot? Kavinaya. Okay. Kavinaya, what is this? OA? Radius, right? OB is what? Radius? So, and radius, how much I gave you? Aniket? How much is the radius? 5, right? So this is 5. This is 5. How much will be this? 5 root 2. Are you just use Pythagoras theorem? Okay, don't use shortcut. Just do with Pythagoras. 5 square plus 5 square square root. Okay, so this is AB. 5 square is 25. Again, 5 square is 25. This will be 50. So this will be equal to square root of 50, which is 5 root 2. Okay, you know, I'm not going to teach you that basic mathematics. Okay, I won't be teaching you how to find square root and all. All right. I suppose you guys know that. So this is how much AB is. The displacement is AB directly this line. This is your displacement. Okay, got it? You're getting it? No? You're getting it? Any doubt? Aniket, any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Kavinaya, you have any doubt? All clear? What is that? Okay, distance. Distance AB. I'll put an arc sign like this, okay? This means what? We are finding the length of arc. Okay, in mathematics, you write it like this. So instead of displacement AB, I can write AB arc. Okay, that will be this length. And AB, when I'm just writing AB, that means the shortest distance. Okay, or you can write AB vector like this. Yeah. So that, okay, sorry. Oh, sorry. Ulta everything. Like this. Okay, this is your distance and this is your displacement. AB is directly. Thank you. So the displacement we already found. How much? 5 root 2. How much is the distance? AB arc. Arc of AB how much? You tell me how you will find. Tell me how you will find. Come out. Everyone has done this. Aniket, show me your notebook. You did it. How much answer you got? Oh, in decimals also you have calculated.
Here is approximately a quarter of this circle, and the quarter of this circumference would be 1/4 and 2.
Correct. 2 pi r. Yes, correct. Come do it here. Do it. 1/4 times of 2 pi into r. Is like equal to sign. You have to give me this is equal to 1/4. Okay, 1/2. All right. Okay, no problem. Pi r. R is how much?
5.
Yes, type it. That is 55/7. 55/7 what? Centimeter. You have to write like that. Okay. Don't forget the unit. Yes. Good. Very good. Everyone got it? So that is, you guys are very smart, right? Okay. Next class we'll be discussing velocity. Okay. Write one question. Can you find the, do you know how to find average speed, average velocity, everything you know? You should tell me, no? You have solved from that book of yours? Do you have any doubt that you want to ask me? Any problem? Not from here, from your book. Do you, if you have solved the problems, you are given from learning room, you are given some problems, right? So if you have any problem in that, you can ask me. Okay, you go solve that assignment. Tomorrow you ask me as many questions as possible. I'm friendly, no? You can ask me any question. I will answer it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, so we'll end here. We had only 45 minutes, but tomorrow we'll. Now I know that you guys know few things, so we can go little faster. Okay. Tomorrow again we will start solving problems. If you have problem in definitions, we can also do that. Just go quickly through your books. Okay, or and the assignments that is given, the problems that are given to, from your learning room. Go through that. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, and I'll also be asking questions. Those who won't be able to answer, I'll hang them upside down like a pendulum. Okay. Of course. Yeah, and then I'll give motion. Then you will understand what question is. Okay, so we'll end here. Thank you very much for joining. And yeah, you don't have to get up. Just sit and close your notebook and you can leave. 10th standard will come here, or we have to go somewhere else. We have like